Hi friends, in this video, you are going to see Aptitude on profit and loss. Aptitude 5. On selling 17 balls at 720 rupees, there is a loss equal to the cost price of 5 balls. The cost price of a ball is Option A, 55 rupees, Option B, 60 rupees, Option C, 65 rupees, Option D, 70 rupees. Pause the video, and try to solve the problem. Answer, 60 rupees. Explanation. Let the cost price of a ball is X rupees. Given, on selling 17 balls at 720 rupees, there is a loss equal to the cost price of 5 balls. The equation is, 17x minus 720 equals 5x. Solving the equation, we get x equals 60, therefore, cost price of a ball is 60 rupees. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.